I was in the Navy. I was a helicopter mechanic. So I've only worked on helicopters before this and got out of the military, decided to go to school and get my certificate and just continue working on airplanes. Hi, my name's Nicole Cane and I am a graduate of the Aviation Institute of Maintenance. We are at the fighter factory. The Military Aviation Museum has all of these warplanes, and the fighter factory keeps the maintenance up and keeps them airworthy for all the air shows so guests can come and see them. It was an apprenticeship. We had career services come around the school and asked if we would want to get hands-on experience. So I worked here as an apprentice for the entire time I was in school. For me, it was the warbirds. I want to work on warbirds. And I liked it so much, I asked if they'd hire me. Got my A&P certificate and bugged my boss, made him hire me. We do everything. We do annual, all servicing. It's, I guess, considered fleet maintenance, but we keep them flying. I thought it was a great school. My favorite teacher was Miss Nancy. She was like my school mom. I went to her for everything. She's like a guru. She's like a little baby Yoda. I would always find her and bug her and be like, please, can you break this down for me? Because I am not getting it. But there were a lot of teachers there that were like that, willing to help you. They would stay late or come in early, you know, if you had the night scheduled. So I went to every single teacher, got, you know, something explained like 5 different ways. So I would fully like wrap my head around it, and test came easy after that. Hands-on, you're in the shop riveting your turbine class, you're out there working on the turbines or recips, same thing. Landing gear, inspections, magnetos, timing stuff. Every project that we've done at school, I've pretty much done here. I think trade schools are where it's at. Trades never stop means to me that the world survives off trade schools. It won't function without people who have gone to trade schools. I love working with my hands. It's something different every single day. It's not the same thing over and over and over again. Find out what you love doing, something that makes you happy every single day, and go after it.